Hey everybody, welcome back to 84 Performance. Today I'm going to be installing new headlights in my Chevy here. Just got them in, the old ones. This one's cracked, broke right here, and then they're wet right now, so I hosed the truck off, but they're all hazy and the clear coat's all cracked up. I actually tried to restore them. I had some 1000 grit sandpaper, and I tried wet sanding them and then re-clear coating them. I had duplicolor clear coat, and I don't know if I just sprayed it on too thick. I don't know if I coated it too thick or what, but it cracked all up and it just came out terrible. It looks awful. And I almost think they're worse than they were before. I don't know, but they look terrible. And I just got this grill. I put the grill in. Got this grill off eBay. It was a paint to match. Got some duplicolor paint and painted it. It doesn't match perfect, but it's pretty close. It's not bad. It looks good. And then I have a new emblem that this one was on my old grill. I just painted it black, just spray painted it, but it's broke. So I did order a new one with my headlights right here. So I'll go ahead and pop that in this video so you can see that too. So it's really gonna get the front of the truck looking a lot better with the new grille. And now new headlights. Got these headlights off eBay. The headlight part came with bulbs, but the fog light or running light, whatever you want to call them, the bottom ones, they didn't come with bulbs. I thought they were all coming with bulbs, but they didn't. So I'm gonna try to just reuse my bulbs, but I don't know. I'm kind of doubting that they all work. My bulbs probably don't work, but these look so much better. I kept the amber side. Don't know what it's called. Again, don't know what it's called. Side pieces, whatever, side markers. Kept the amber, didn't go clear. But I got just clear lenses. They're not tinted or anything, just clear lenses with black housing. So they look great. They're super clear, not scratched up. So super excited. It's gonna get the truck looking way better with my new grille I painted. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those in. Okay, so I know this one's definitely not gonna work since there wasn't a bulb in it, but all the other ones, at least, well, the top one came with new bulbs, but this one and a little side one, wow, that looks terrible. Yeah, that's probably not gonna work. So I have one bulb that, is actually a possibility of this one shining. That one's definitely not gonna shine. I really don't think that one's gonna either, but we'll find out. All right, here it is. Got it all finished. Both sides in with the new headlights. Looks great. This one was missing a bulb in the exact same place. So, you know, I'm kind of hoping that when I put 2 new bulbs in it, it doesn't like fry something. You know, maybe they were out for a reason, I don't know. But got them in, looks really good. Really happy with it. My grill's kind of scratching. It's not holding up that good. But yeah, so you know, like I say, if you want to spend a couple $100 on some headlights, they'll probably, you know, look a little bit better. They'll probably fit a little bit better. But I'm really happy with these. Like, the truck looks so much better than these. Looks so much better. Looks really good. Got the new emblem in it. That looks really nice. Here's the old one. The corner was broke. It was all scratched up. Big nick in it. I just spray painted this one. This one was originally gold, but the gold was all faded out and white looking and cracked up and nasty. So I painted it and, you know, it looked better. But now that I got a new one, it really looks good. So all this stuff came off eBay. The headlights, the grill, paint to match grill, and the emblem all came off eBay. So that, you know, bargain shopping pays because it's cheaper than the super expensive stuff, but it still looks great, you know? Still looks really good, so I'm really happy with it. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. The headlights came out really good. The black housing looks really good on this truck. I want to get some taillights for this truck too. I didn't go with tinted lenses on my headlights because I don't like that. I don't like the way it looks. I do like the tinted taillights though, not completely blacked out, but just the tinted taillights. So I do want to get some of those. And the only thing left on the front of this truck that I haven't done is put a new bumper on it, which it needs. This bumper looks terrible, but that's really expensive. So unless I can find one off of another truck cheap, at like, you know, a pull apart or junkyard or something like that, then that's probably gonna wait a good while because that's something that's gonna take a lot of money. But got the front of the truck looking a million times better. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure and check out my channel, 84 Performance. I'll be putting up more videos about this truck as I get more stuff done to it. Also my Dodge, my 84 Dodge W250. Got a lot of stuff coming up on that one I'm gonna be doing. So yeah, check out my channel for all that, and be sure and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also click the subscribe button to subscribe and the notification bell to be notified when I put up new videos so you don't miss anything. So thanks for watching.